Good morning, YouTube. It is 4:52 in the morning here in Illinois, and well, it's time to leave. Sadly, we're going to leave my aunt's house. I got to see family, and got to go take a lot of cool pictures in Springfield. Got to eat a made right, which is something that Illinois, Springfield's really famous for. Yeah, I got to see Lincoln's tomb, his boyhood home, and in just under a week I'll go see where he was shot, and maybe the house that he passed away in. But yeah, it's been a good time. I've really enjoyed it. The weather's been warm here, not fall-like at all, but today when I leave, they're gonna have a rainstorm come through, and then it's going to get in the 60s instead of the high 80s. So I brought the heat with me, my aunt said, and looks like I'm taking it with me as well. I don't know where I'm putting it because where I'm going is cold. So I'm excited about the weather change. But yeah, I had a really good time. It's sad to go, but it's time to go. So let's go. As I drive away from family that I haven't seen in a very long time, a quote comes to mind by Tennessee Williams. It was in his play The Glass Menagerie. He wrote, "Time is the longest distance between two places." He's not wrong. It is, especially when that time has been over 20 years. As I drive across the United States, I have a lot of time to think about, well, time. And how fleeting it truly is. Time's the one thing you're never going to get back. It never stops. And in the end, you realize you had too little of it. We're too busy rushing around trying to get from one place to another, when really we need to slow down, take a look around us, and be around the ones we love. Because someday those ones we love won't be here anymore, and all we're going to have left are memories, or unfortunately, thinking about how much time we did not spend with those that we lost. So go out, make memories, tell the people you love that you love them, because someday, hopefully, many, many, many years from now, unfortunately, time will stop. All right, we've made it to Louisville, Kentucky. We're at the Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory. This is where they make the bats and keep all the great ones. And we're going to take a look around and see what we can see. We've got a tour scheduled for noon, so let's go. So this is Jackie Robinson's bat. And they say that it's probably the oldest one used in a game in existence. And this dates to his Negro League ball-playing days. So this is before he was a Brooklyn Dodger. Look at this. That is pretty amazing. And of course, there's his stats. Then right over here, Maris and Mantle. These are their bats. Man, how amazing. And you can see the name. You can see the name Roger Maris there, and Mickey Mantle. So the Mantle bat was used around 61 to 64, and the Maris bat would have been used in 1960 to 61. What do we got here? Oh, there we go. Babe Ruth. So we've got a Babe Ruth contract and a letter from Babe Ruth. And of course, here's the bat. So this is the bat he used for hitting the first 21 home runs of his record-setting 60 homer season in 1927. And you can see the bat was broken. And you'll look, if you look right here, he slugged and he actually put a notch. He took a knife and cut a notch in the bat for every one of those 21 home runs. Here's Roberto Clemente. And there it is. There's his bat. They're not sure exactly when this one was used, either in 1969 or 1970. Man, that is a really cool bat to see. You can just see the wear on it. If this was used in 70, it was used during the playoffs, and then of course they won the World Series in 1971. Roberto Clemente. All right, so I just took the Louisville Slugger museum tour, and it's amazing. Definitely put the photos at the end. I actually took home a piece of a bat, the end of the bat when they make it, but they also give you a Louisville Slugger baseball bat from the museum, which is pretty cool. But now I want to come over here because you can see what it's like against, this is Cole Hamels. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what it would be like if you were batting against Cole Hamels. All right, here we go. I'm going to push the button. That's awesome. All right, so we just finished the Louisville Slugger Museum. It was really cool. I took the tour. I wish I could have shown you that, but they did ask for no filming during the tour. However, some people did anyway, and it just slowed us down, and that's exactly what he said. He said, if you film, it's going to slow everybody down. It's exactly what it did. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. I had a great time. But now it's time to head to Point Pleasant. I need to eat, so that's the plan. But I think I'm going to get out of Louisville and just eat like at McDonald's or something so I can keep driving. I got about 4 hours driving to go, and it's 1 o'clock. So yeah, let's go. We literally just made it to the hotel, and here's the door. This is the Gallipolis Super 8 Motel. As soon as you walk in the door, you get your restroom to your left, which is usual. But then, like, you have your sink out here. It's kind of strange, but it works. And then you got 2 queen beds in here. It's a good sized room. I mean, it seems to be clean from what I can see. You can see it's 5:30. I've been driving since 5 o'clock this morning with that stop in the Louisville Slugger Museum. But yeah, it's got, you know, microwave, refrigerator. It's got a little desk over here. Unfortunately, there are no outlets over there by the desk. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa. Geez, there's not really a lot of outlets anywhere. Oh, hey. But yeah, so, yeah, I mean, it's not a bad hotel. It doesn't look bad. They were very nice at the front desk. But yeah, yeah, this is what $100.81 gets you here in Gallipolis. Not Gallipolis, not Gallipolis, but Gallipolis. That's how I was told that it said. It could be a lie, I don't know, but that's what I was told. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload a video, and then in about 30 minutes to an hour, I'm gonna go eat dinner. So I'll see you soon. Not too bad. Bye. Whew. I just ate here in whatever town I'm in, Gallipolis, that's it, Gallipolis. Nope, that's not Gallipolis. At the Shake Shop. Here's their cup, the Shake Shop. I don't know if that's in focus, but there it is. Oh God, I hurt myself. It was good. It's like an old-timey place. When I walked in, I was like, oh great. They're all like 18-year-old kids playing grab ass behind the counter. About 9 of them. And no, they did their business. They took care of it. They made a really good burger. It's called a stuffed shirt. So it's a hamburger. It's a quarter-pound hamburger with lettuce, tomato, onions, and a cheese sauce that they make. The cheese sauce reminded me of the Big Mac sauce that is on a Big Mac, but a little bit more runnier. And then I got some fries. They were shoestring fries, and they were good. They were a little chilly because they were waiting on the hamburger. But everything's cooked to order, and $9. $9. If that was McDonald's, I would have paid $12, $15, $13 for that. So it was really good. But now I'm going to go back. I'm going to relax. I'm going to work on some videos because I got to get those up. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And then head out tomorrow to literally Point Pleasant's right across the river. And we'll go talk Mothman and go to the Mothman Museum. So yeah, and go get a coffee or an apple cider and eat a Mothman cookie for breakfast because it's vacation. No regrets. See you tomorrow.